You've probably never thought of spreading shaving cream on a broom, but how the whole thing benefits you and what you should do it for, I'll show you in this video. Because with it you can actually clean your bathtub wonderfully easy and without scrubbing a lot, and without that you have to bend down. How the whole thing works I want to show you now. Therefore be sure to watch the video to the end. All you need is such a conventional broom and of course the shaving foam. The shaving foam is due to its ingredients wonderfully suitable for cleaning, and that works even for the bathtub. We now distribute some of the shaving foam on our broom and then start in the next step to distribute everything really nice in the bathtub. You can of course do the whole thing in the shower, the effect is the same. So we'll start by spreading the shaving cream in the bathtub. First of all, we want to spread it so that there's really some of the shaving cream everywhere, so that the whole thing can soak in a little bit right away. Because we want to let everything act about half an hour, so that here the cleaning effect is really wonderful to see, and at the end everything is really nice and clean. So first distribute everything nicely, maybe take a little more foam if it's not enough, and then as I said, wait 30 minutes. After the waiting time, we then take our broom again and now start to wipe everything out a bit again. You don't have to apply a lot of pressure here, and you don't have to bend down, as I said, to clean everything really nicely. When you have wiped everything clean, you just have to rinse everything away, normally with water. And you should be able to see that the bathtub is really nice and clean again. This helps especially when small stains have already formed in the bathtub. This way you get it really nice and clean again, and all that without scrubbing and without having to get down on your knees or bend over. Therefore you should definitely try it out. If you also want to know how to fold a bedsheet perfectly in only 13 seconds, then watch the video that I linked to you here. If you liked the video, then I would be really happy about a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel and activate the bell so you don't miss any new video.